What's up, everyone? Super Duckman 24 here. It is about 10:55. Well, it is 10:55 actually. It's about 57 degrees here, and it's the 6th of November. And usually, I don't know really what they do anymore. They do a tornado siren test, and man, my screen is dirty. They're supposed to do a test at beginning of every month, but they've been doing tests on some Fridays now. But yeah, I'm gonna head out here and do a tornado siren test video because it is still 11:55, and I'm gonna start this video off with Elizabeth and Chloe sleeping, of course. The windows are in on the porch now, so it doesn't get as chilly. When that sun comes in, it kind of heats the porch up. It's kind of a cloudy morning. It's supposed to be sunny this afternoon. We'll see. Kind of a little wet to mow any leaves. I'm gonna hopefully let this dry out. Actually, I'm gonna grab my iPad so I know what time it is. Yes, I know, I'm disturbing your sleep. She's giving me the look like, really? Or either that or she doesn't want to go on YouTube. Sometimes that door doesn't close very fast and I don't want them to slip out. Because when they go into explore mode, they are hard to catch. And by the way, this is at full brightness. Is there any way we can get this to go digital? Yeah. So it's 10:57. Even grow mode yesterday about noon, about 12:25. By the time I heard them, because I was doing some house cleaning, they were just doing some areas around here. I did run over there quickly to see if I could get anything, but I decided it really wasn't worth it. I did talk to one of the guys, though. They are going to come back in 2 weeks and do some more, probably leaf removal. He was asking about the common area, and I told him, well, he calls it a field, I call it the common area. He was wondering if it needs mowing. I mean, I told him it was about as tall as the fields over by the pool. But the 72-inch was in the shop, so they just had the 61 and the 60. Actually, it wasn't even the full trailer. It was just a small trailer. They had the Skag 61-inch, a Toro 60, and the Skag walk behind with the 61-inch deck. That's all they had. I mean, so it really wasn't a full even grow mowing video. I mean, they just did the areas. They did the entrance and the areas by the pool, and then they went and did some other neighborhoods. They were doing a lot of leaf mowing, though. I was kind of bummed I missed that, but I had to do some house cleaning, so I got what I got. I got to see a little bit. So, yeah. I'm just stalling for time right now. And this does go out to a friend of mine who watches my videos. I think her name is Liz Pickle something. I can't remember her channel name. I think she has a new channel now. I can't think of that name either. I'm horrible when it comes to remembering names. But I know she's very interested in storms and tornado sirens because they checked out her channel once. So, okay, it is 10:59. Let's see if the sirens go off any early. Oh, and sorry, Liz, I did not go to the siren at the front of my neighborhood. I'm feeling lazy today, if you know what I mean. Ten seconds till 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock right now. By the way, the sirens vary during tests. They test different ones. So I'm kind of keeping an ear open to see if I hear any. It's 11:01. I think I just heard a faint siren. It's 11:02. Yeah, they're going off. You can barely hear them. I don't even know if they're coming through on the microphone. They're coming that way. It's so faint you can hardly even hear them. What the heck is that noise? Lots of UPS trucks starting up. Right there, that I just heard it. I don't know if you guys heard it. And I'm so happy to not ride up to the siren at the entrance of my neighborhood. I'm gonna go to 11:05 and then I'm gonna stop. Okay, well, That had to be one of the quietest tests I ever heard. Like I said, they vary the sirens each test, so those must have been the ones further from me. I don't even know if they came through or not. But, and that was this test, and that didn't even bother them. Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna, I guess, upload this. I don't even know if you can hear the sirens with all the noise in the background. So, yeah. Well, peace out for now, guys.